Got a clinic going on. Not me, Big Beard Battery. If you guys are looking for the best battery on the freaking market, you can get this battery. It's better than all the batteries on the market. I'm not just saying that because I work there, but because it's true and it's been proven. But you can also get solar installed. I went through the gate and I said, oh boy, here it is. I found a 2025 G3970. And it is just beautiful. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me, show you guys around, show you guys why we think this might be the forever rig. Here we got the G3970. But I'm gonna bring you guys along with us this week so we can show you a little bit of what goes on here. Good morning, everybody. Houston here with Rolling with Sanchez. We got some big news. You see the shirt? Let me put on the shades so you guys can see the shirt, because that's what we're here about. It's about 7:30. Heading to work. Got about 10 minutes before I get there, so I'm gonna be a little early because we got a clinic going on. Not me, but who I work for now. Big Beard Battery. If you guys are looking for the best battery on the freaking market that could tell you anything that you want to know about your battery, how many cycles, how long it's ran, everything that's going on about it, yeah, you could get this battery, and it's better than all the batteries on the market. I'm not just saying that because I work there, but because it's true and it's been proven. There's a lot of people that have Big Beard batteries, but you can also get solar installed here. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with us and show you guys how we do that and get that all done and wrapped up. Well, it's Monday. We'll be done with a lot of these by Thursday. Friday they unplugged from not our power, from Big Beard Batteries power. So when you come to a clinic, you get water, sewer, and full hookups. Swimming pool and a brisket on the Friday. When you're done with your setup, you get that all taken care of by Todd and Stephanie themselves. They just treat everybody. I mean, everybody that they talk to like family, like a human being, and I love it. So let's give them some love. Go give them a follow, give them a like, buy some batteries. But I'm gonna bring you guys along with us this week so we can show you a little bit of what goes on here, so you guys can come, bring your rigs, get set up, go anywhere in the world, and we'll get you guys taken care of. And if you have a problem with your system, but Todd and his team, like, they dive a little deeper into it. They can fix the problem from almost anywhere, and if not, they have a certified technician that they know, go out there, help you out, get it figured out. So let's go.
So, you did your first 2 weeks with Big Beard. How was that?
Freaking awesome. I love it. They just treat you like you're another part
Whether
of their
it's
family.
a customer or not, they're pretty
No,
awesome
and that's
people.
Todd and Stephanie's thing at the end of like your clinic. If you guys come and see Todd and meet him personally and get a part of their family, like,
Yeah.
So that's what Todd is like.
Well, it doesn't end after the clinic.
No, it does not, and Todd
They'll
does not
answer questions.
and Todd does not want it to end after the clinic. If you have any questions, if you just reach out to him and say hey, he'll say hey back. And if you guys don't know that like anything is possible, go check out my boy Work Less, Enjoy Life More Larry.
Yep.
Go see that video. If you guys think
That was like
that
the
nothing is very, like, if you can't put 2200 watts of solar on a camper, an in-bed camper, you can. Go check out that video.
That was like the almost first setup. You guys were doing like what, 2 or 3 at that time?
Yeah, we were doing, I think 2. We were doing 2 at that time.
Oh, it gets hot here.
But check it out.
They put freaking pop-ups for you.
They
you work a majority of the time inside the shop, besides when you install it on your rig.
And,
so it's not like you
and
don't
you do
have
like a little
pool.
bit outside, laying it out on the roof,
Yeah.
trying to figure out how many panels you can put, how many you want.
But you're in and out. You're in and out of the shop.
And you go,
which is air conditioning.
and they have
their shop's beautiful.
the shop is unreal. Todd provides all the tools for you. He provides a bathroom, a laundry room for you, a gym for you, swimming pool, and I keep telling you, at the end of it, there's the brisket. But let me tell you, I've been around. We've been around. We've traveled most of the country. We've traveled about 50%. We've done 50%, and we've tried brisket and everything, everywhere. Right? We've tried.
Meat in Texas.
We've tried this brisket that Todd makes for you. He makes it. He cooks it. Like, he doesn't buy a pre-cooked brisket. He seasons it up, brings it out, throws it on the smoker, and lets it go for
something. Like, Wyoming has good meat, obviously, because they grow beef and stuff. But the meat in Texas, it's different. It hits. It rivals Wyoming for sure.
It hits. But what I'm trying to say is so when you come, you hang out.
Yeah.
On Monday, you get a rundown. You pick out how many panels you want, what you want to run, what is ideal for you to do. If you want to run 2 air conditioners all night, we can make that. Not me, Todd. He can make that happen. If you guys don't know who Liberty is, go check her out. She's got some serious power, and that's Todd and Stephanie's baby. That thing is
crazy.
Sweet, and it really puts out some power, and it's just Todd, he's the mastermind, man, and he's just a great person. I'm very blessed and honored to be a part of Big Beard Battery and bring my family along with us and enjoy this and watch their business continue to grow. And we don't have solar on this thing, not on this one.
Not our
so
forever. We'll just keep saying it. It's not our forever rig. This is a Houston video week. I've been hanging out with the kids, chilling.
Because there's some big news. So we're just hanging out. We're just chilling. So I went to Funtown we went and picked up a rig.
Yeah.
Not for us. We just went and picked up one for somebody. I just kind of hot shotted it for somebody. Yeah. But went and picked it up. But I walk in. I went through the gate and I said, oh boy, here it is. I found a 2025 G3970. And it is just beautiful. So I'm going to take you guys along with me, show you guys around, show you guys why we think this might be the forever rig. And let me just say, if we get this, we may put some solar on that thing or try and put some solar. I know it gets expensive and stuff like that. And we kind of like to stay on the pole. And that's a shirt. I don't know if you guys can buy shirts from Todd, but that is a shirt and I want to get that.
What is the shirt?
It says, get off the pole.
Oh.
Get off the ball. No, and I love Todd, and I'm gonna just continue to say that. I'd continue every time I see him, I tell him, and I just am very thankful for it. And it's just a great opportunity to learn from the best. There's nobody better than. And him and Stephanie are just great, humble people, and I love them both. And I enjoy being around them. You guys know we're a family of 6. We travel full time, and we took the opportunity, got here, and that's the first thing they did is just made me and my whole family feel welcome for the dinners. They're like, Houston, go home early, come back with family, and come eat with us. And I'm like, really? And they they are very, very, very sweet and humble and just caring and want to make everybody feel welcome and at home. So like my kids, they're kids. We travel full time in an RV, so they get into a house and they're like, what the heck, you know, and just want to run around. And I'm like trying to get them to calm down or whatever. And so we put them outside, and Todd's like, no, they're good. I'm like, no, it's okay.
Yeah.
But it's just like awesome just to be a part of it. And so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We got some crazy stuff coming in the works. Not me, Todd again, and that we get to work on. And I'm just, yeah. So you guys are gonna see some crazy stuff and see some serious power and get off that pole.
Oh my gosh. Support
the beard. So the Brinkley, that's why. So we're thinking about a Brinkley G3970. It's we don't care really about the full body paint or anything, because that's just another expense. What if we
decide to wrap the whole thing?
That's possible. We just love the layout of it, and we're going to show you guys why and why we think it would work for us. Okay, guys, stick with me 5 minutes and come check out this Brinkley with us. Until then, watch this. Right here, we got the G3970, and this thing is freaking beautiful. I mean, you guys already know, right? I mean, let's check it out. 3970. They got this. We're gonna switch this out and get a different one. I mean, this thing is just freaking beautiful. And yeah. Woo, baby. Let's turn on the radio, see if we got some bumps.
You're not even gonna know about it if you don't look at your statement. And Central.
All right, guys, enough messing around. So we got this because we got the bunk beds for all the boys. All the boys right here. Carter on top, Silviano, Ruben, however they do it. Then we got this up here for my princess, my Margie. And then you know we had to do a bathroom, a full bathroom. Let's see. Houston approved. I mean, it's a little tight, but kids are a lot smaller than I am. Got that ceiling up there. And a place for Olivia to do her amazing cooking, because she's a freaking amazing cook. The TV. Then we'll just have our own bathroom. Me and Olivia. Woo, baby. Oh my God. Wow. That comes out very far. It's kind of hard here in Texas, so I'm going to try and get in and out of this unit. I mean, this is, yeah, our forever camper here. Houston approved. Now we just gotta, I mean, this thing is just, I thought this slid out. Sorry guys, I had to set you down. That slides out. Put some stuff here. I like how they do the sunshades, the night shades. This is what we're gonna call home, guys. I mean, this thing is just freaking beautiful. Came out here, just check stuff out, and then, yeah. Tells you the temperature in the bedroom, the living room, and the garage. So yeah, you guys can see it is freaking hot in here. We're just gonna get this switched out, get this with the U-shaped, and make this thing home, man. This is freaking beautiful. I love it. All storage for everything. All the snacks we got for the kids. Everything we got. I mean, this is just it. And then, you know, I'm gonna see if I could fit a 6-seater golf cart in here or something for the kids. I don't know. And Carter, he'll be up here. I'm gonna mount a TV here somewhere, have it fold down so he can play his games, do whatever. We were originally putting him here, but that's just a little small for Carter. He's a grown boy, man. So don't blink. Your kids grow up fast, and it's worth it in the end, right? I mean, that's all you could ask for is your kids to just grow up, be better than you are, and we're gonna set it up just like this almost. I'm gonna do some touches to it, and I'm gonna make it ours, right? I think the subwoofer's here. It's got to be here somewhere. It is. So when you're watching a movie, right? I mean, I love it, and I think this is the best option for us as a family because it has that second bath. But until then, like, subscribe, show our friends, don't miss out, hit that follow button, catch you guys on the next one. You aren't going to want to miss out. But until then, keep on watching. Okay, guys, I'm here with my friend. We're here in Texas. We got memberships for you guys. And if you guys want to check that out, just like he did, we got like 3 different options that you guys could pick from and join.
So we announced our YouTube store, which has our shirts, hats, and stickers. Then we added memberships. Right now, membership is just to support the channel. It's not like you get special emojis, but I think we might end up doing memberships that you can view the video before it actually posts to public. Houston and I are bouncing around ideas of what your guys' membership would get you.
And if you guys have any ideas, let us know in the comments down below.
Really, like, I don't know.
We're not really into that.
Obviously,
or
you guys
anything.
haven't seen. We haven't taken brand deals, and we don't really. I don't know. Like, we approach our channel a little bit different because we want to be honest and transparent, and we don't want to just make money off you guys. So
no, and we want you guys to experience what we are doing.
Yeah.
From wherever you are, whether that is at the casino, because we have one subscriber that we met in California at the casino. We're not going to tell you where, because that is our little hidden gem that we may want to meet with you guys next summer or something. We'll plan that out because we definitely love you guys, and yeah, thanks for all your guys' support. Not just you, all of you. And until then, like, subscribe, show all your friends, don't miss out, hit that follow button because we got a lot in store for you guys. See you later.